Good morning, dear students. All are fine now? Yes, very good. In last class, we studied about division. Okay. Next, we move on our next chapter, measurement. Our next chapter, measurement. Okay. Are you ready? Are you ready to study this chapter? Okay, yes, good. Next, our third chapter, measurement. In daily life, we use measuring some items for in daily use. Okay. In last class or in second standard, you studied some measurements, length, weight and capacity. Yes, all of you studied in last class, okay, in second standard. Next, we are going to study the measurement of length. Listen, length. Length. Listen. Yes, the standard of measuring length is the meter. Listen, in last class, in second standard, we studied about measurement of length. Yes, good. The standard unit of measuring length is the meter. Yes, listen, M-E-T-R-E. Listen, M-E-T-R-E, meter. Listen, the standard unit of length is meter. Listen, the length of a cloth or a height of a tree and distance between two objects are all measured in meter. Okay. Yes. A meter rod is a meter rod measuring exactly 1 meter. Listen, 1 meter. A cloth merchant used a meter rod made of metal or wood. Yes, do you see? Do you saw a metal rod or a by wood? Yes. Tailor, carpenter and masons used the measuring tape. Yes, all of you listen. Listen here. A meter rod is a metal rod or a measuring exactly 1 meter. Yes, a cloth merchant uses a meter rod made of metal or wood. Okay. Yes, listen. A meter rod is divided into equal 100 parts. Listen, a meter rod is divided into 100 equal parts. Listen, 100 equal parts. The length of each part is 1 centimeter. Listen, a meter rod is divided. Listen here. A meter rod is divided into 100 equal parts. The length of, listen, the meter rod, a meter rod is divided into 100 equal parts. The length of, listen, the length of each part is 1 1 centimeter. Listen, 1 centimeter. One centimeter. Listen. A meter rod is divided into 100 equal parts. 100 equal parts. The length of each part is 1 centimeter. Listen. Hence, 100 centimeter. 100 centimeter equal 1 meter. 1 meter. 1 centimeter equal to 100 centimeter equal to 1 meter. Okay. Yes, hence or 100, we write it 100 centimeter equal 1 meter. Okay. This we studied in last class in 2nd standard. Do you remember? Yes. Okay. Listen. We write M4 meter. Listen. All of you write it in your notebook. All of you write it in your notebook. Listen, we write M4 meters and cm 4 centimeters. Centimeters. Listen, M4 meters and centimeter, cm4 centimeters. Yes, good. Next, smaller length are measured in centimeter and the length of a finger, the width of a chalk box and height of a small plant are measured by centimeter and the bigger units, bigger length is measured by meter. Okay, listen. Next part, all of you write it in your notebook. Move on. Next part, conversion of meters to centimeter. Conversion of meters to centimeter. Centimeters. This is an important part in this chapter. All of you listen carefully. Listen. Conversion of meters to centimeter. We already studied 100 centimeter equal to 1 meter. All of you remember that? Remember this? 100 centimeter equal to 1 meter. Okay. Next, we are going to study conversion of meters to centimeters. Yes. Listen. Listen. To convert meters to centimeters, we multiply the numbers of meter by 100. Listen. 100 centimeter equal to 1 meter or 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. Okay. In conversion of or to convert centimeter to meter to centimeter, we multiply the numbers of meter by 100 to 100. Listen. 1 meter equal 100 centimeter. All of you listen. 1 meter equal 100 centimeter. 2 meter equal 200 centimeter. 3 meter equal 300 centimeter. 4 meter equal 400 centimeter and so on. Okay, listen. All of you remember it and write it in your notebook. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. 2 meter equal to 200 centimeter. 3 meter equal to 300 centimeter. And 4 meter equal to 400 centimeter. Next 5 meter equal, yes, 5 meter equal 500 centimeter and so on. Yes, okay. Listen. Convert. Next, convert 15 meter to centimeter to centimeters. Convert 50 meter to centimeters. Listen, multiply to 100. Listen. 15 meter equal 15 into 100 centimeter. Okay. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. Yes. 15. Thus 15 meter equal 15 into 100 centimeter. Okay. Listen. 15 into 100 centimeter equal 1500 centimeter. 1500 centimeter. Okay. Next one, listen. All of you write it in your notebook. Do you finish? Yes. Okay. Next one, 36 meter to centimeters. To centimeters. Yes. Good. Equal 36 meter equal 36 into, yes, 36 into 100 centimeter. 100 centimeter. Okay. 3600 centimeter. Okay. All of you write it in your notebook. Next. Listen carefully. Next one, convert 6 meter 32 centimeter to yes, to centimeter. To centimeters. Yes. Okay. 6 meter and 32 centimeter. Okay. Yes. 6 equal 6 meter plus 32 centimeter. 6 meter plus 32 centimeter. 6 meter equal, yes, 6 meter equal 6 into 100 centimeter. 6 into 100 centimeter plus, yes, plus 32 meter. 32 centimeters. 32 centimeters. Okay. Yes. 6 into 100. 6 into 100 equal to 6. 6 into 100 equal to 600 plus, yes, plus 32 centimeters. Yes, 32 centimeters equal 600 plus 32. 600 plus 32, 632. 632 centimeters. 632 centimeters. Okay, listen, all of you write it in your notebook. Write it in your notebook. Do you finish? Yes, okay. Next, listen. Converts 5 meter 20 centimeter to centimeters. Centimeters. Okay, listen. 5 meter equal 5 into okay, 5 meter plus 20 centimeter. 20 centimeter equal 5 meter plus 20 centimeter. 5 meter plus 20 centimeter. Okay, next, all of you listen. 5 meter equal 5 into, yes, 5 into 100. 5 into 100 plus 100 centimeter plus 20 centimeter. Listen, 5 meter plus 20 centimeter equal 5 meter plus 20 centimeter equal 5 meter equal 5 into 100 centimeter plus 20 centimeters. Yes, equal 5 into 100. 5 into 100, 500. 500 plus 20 centimeters. 500 centimeters. 500 centimeters plus 20 centimeter. Yes, okay, this equal to 500 plus 20. 500 plus 20, 520. Okay, 520 centimeters. Okay, all of you write it in your notebook. Yes. Do you finish? Yes. Next, all of you take your textbook. Take your textbook. There are some exercises. Page number 63. Listen. Page number 63. Exercise number 1. Convert the following to centimeters. Convert the following to centimeters. First one, 3 centimeter. 3 meter. 3 meter equal 3 into 100 centimeter. Yes. Okay. 300 centimeter. Okay. 300 centimeter. So, yes. 25 meter, 9 meter and 15 centimeter and 4th, 5th and 6th one. All of you write it in your notebook. Yes. Okay. Next. Move on. Next part. An important part of in this chapter. Conversion of centimeter to meter. Centimeter to meter. Conversion of centimeter to meters. Conversion of centimeters to meters. This is an important part in this chapter. All of you listen carefully. Okay. To convert centimeters to meters, we divide the number of centimeter by 100. In conversion of meter to centimeter, all of you listen carefully. In conversion of meter to centimeter, we multiply the number by 100. In conversion of centimeter to meter, we divide the number by 100. Okay, listen. All of you listen. 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. We already studied 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. 200 centimeter is equal to 2 meter. 300 centimeter equal to 3 meter. 400 centimeter equal to 4 meter. Okay. And so on. Okay. All of you write it in your notebook. Write it in your notebook and mark important part. Listen. Listen. All of you listen. Convert convert 600 meter 600 centimeter 600 centimeter to meter to meters. Convert 600 centimeters to meters. Listen. 600 centimeter. 600 centimeter. All of you listen carefully. 600 centimeter. 600 centimeter divided by 100. Listen. To convert centimeter to meters, we divide the numbers meters by 100. Centimeters by 100. Listen. 600 divided by 100 equal 6 meter. 6 meter. Convert it to 600 centimeters to meters equal 6 meters. Do you understand? Yes. Next, all of you write it in your notebook. Next, listen. 900 900 centimeters to meters. To meters. Listen. 900 centimeter. 900 centimeters. Yes. 900 divided by 100. Listen. 100 centimeter equal to 1 meter. 100 centimeter equal to 1 meter. Listen. Equal 9 meter. Okay. All of you write it in your notebook. Next, third one. Listen. Third one. Converts 420 centimeter to meter. To meters. Converts 420 centimeters to meters. Listen. 420 centimeters. Listen carefully. 420 centimeters. Listen. 400 centimeter plus 20 centimeter. Okay. 400 centimeter equal 420 centimeter equal 400 centimeter plus 20 centimeter. Thus, equal 400 divided by 100 is 400 divided by 100 centimeter plus 20 centimeter. 400 divided by 100 centimeter plus 20 centimeters. Yes, equal 400 divided by 100 equal, yes, 4 meter. 4 meter. Yes, 4 meter plus 20 centimeter. Thus, 4 meter 20 centimeter. 4 meter 20 centimeter. Okay. Yes, all of you take your textbook. Do you finish? You write it in your notebook? Yes. All of you take your textbook. Page number 36. Page number 36. Part B. Yes. Convert the following to meters. Convert to following in meters. Yes. To convert centimeters to meters, we divide the number of centimeters by 100. Okay. Do you remember? Yes. Listen. First one. First one. First one. 500 centimeter. 500 centimeter. Listen. 500 centimeter. 500 divided by, yes, 500 divided by 100 centimeter. 500 divided by 100 centimeter. Yes, equal 5 meter. Yes, 5 meter. Okay. Yes, 5 meter. All of you write it in your notebook. Yes. Next, fourth one. Listen, fourth one. 655 centimeter. 655 centimeter. Yes. Listen. 600 centimeter plus 55 centimeter. 55 centimeter. Listen. 600 divided by 100 centimeter. 100 centimeter plus 55 centimeter. 55 centimeter. Okay. Yes. Equal to 600 divided by 100 equal 6 meter. 6 meter plus 55 centimeter. Okay. Yes. All of you write it in your notebook and you convert the following to meters. Numbers. Question number 2, 3, 5 and 6. Okay. This much for today. Thank you for watching my online class. Thank you everyone.